It is not a secret that synthetic polymers have taken an important role on our daily lifestyle. Ever since 1869, when the first synthetic polymer was created to replace ivory on billiard balls, scientists have done nothing but discover and improve new methods to create different types of plastics that are now always around us. Polymers were created to substitute expensive and rare materials, giving cheaper and more effective substitutes. These new materials have made our life easier, with different kinds of polymers being used on a wide variety of fields, such as electronics with the creation of components, industry with bottles, packages, and other fields such as plumbing, clothing, glasses, etc. But even though polymers have helped humans, they have harmed the environment on a very significant way.
Synthetic polymers, even though they are really useful, present a problem to the environment even before and after they are used. Before, because the production of these polymers is a high contaminant mostly of water and air, mostly because these businesses aren't as regulated as they should. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, the chemicals released into the water accumulate in the gills of fish and can travel high quantities of the food chain. This means that we ourselves are contaminating our food. There is also the problem of landfill accumulation. After the product is used, we will normally just dump it everywhere. And this is a big problem because landfills are the place they will remain for centuries into the future, slowly leaking toxins into the soil as time passes. According to the Clean Air Council organization, only in the US there was an estimated use of 102.1 billion plastic bags each year, and less than 1% of those bags were recycled. This means that we are filling our earth with plastic, useless plastic, that will not only serve nothing, but it will also endanger our species and planet.
There exist many ways to diminish the environmental impact the use of polymer has. A simple one that has been implemented more and more in the recent years is the recycling of things such as plastic bottles and other polymer-based objects, as this avoids all of this waste going back to nature and damaging the environment. Apart from this, in recent years the manufacture of plant-based biodegradable polymers such as polylactic acid, also known as PLA, has shown the possibilities of these alternatives, as not only are they capable of performing the same task as their synthetic counterparts, but they also leave behind a smaller mark on the environment. Even with these alternatives, if we, as people, don't change, nothing else around us will, because we first need to look into the things we do and consume in our daily lives. For example, maybe one should separate his trash or buy products with less packaging and produce less waste. The point is to adapt little by little, as these actions over time end up having a great impact in what we do with the environment.